Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into exploring topics, an amazing tool that helps you discover trending topics before they go viral. In this video, we will cover how to use exploring topics in under 2 minutes, key features and how it works, plans and is it worth the money, and cons compared to other trend analysis tools, and whether it is the best tool for businesses, creators and investors. If you want to stay ahead of trends and find the next big thing before the competition, then this video is for you. Let's get started. Let's start with a quick tutorial on how to use exploring topics. Visit exploringtopics.com and explore their free trend discovery tool. You can analyze trends over different periods such as 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 3 years or even 15 years to see long-term growth patterns. Exploring topics covers multiple industries like tech, businesses, health, e-commerce, AI, finance, and more. Click on a specific category to filter trends related to your niche. Each trend shows a growth graph indicating how its popularity is increasing. If a topic is spiking, it might be the next big opportunity for startups, content creators, and investors. The free version gives limited insights. If you want early access to private trends, custom reports, and alters, you will need to subscribe to the pro version. Now let's explore the features of exploring topics and the plans available to match your needs. If you are just getting started or running a small business, the entrepreneur plan is perfect for you. Here's what's included in plans. 100 track trends, stay updated with the trends that matter to your niche. 10 trend analysis, deep dive into trend data for valuable insights. 1 user sheet, perfect for individual use. Access to the trends database showcasing an extensive list of growing trends. Insights into trending products to help you make data-driven decisions. Explore meta trends for a broader view of market shifts. Channel breakdown to understand where trends are thriving. And the best part, you can start a 14-day trial for just $1 to test the waters. For those looking to scale up or make strategic investments, the investor plan offers even more. Here is what you get. 500 track trends. Keep tabs on a wider range of trends. 110 analysis, dive deeper into more data. 4 user seats, ideal for small teams or collaborations. Everything from the entrepreneur plans plus trending startups to identify promising new ventures. The business plan $249 per month. Need the ultimate package? The business plan is tailored for large organizations or those who need comprehensive insights. It includes 2000 track trends to cover every aspect of your industry, 500 trend analysis for through exploration, 10 user seats for large teams, everything in the investor plan. Plus trend reports for in-depth overviews of market movements. API access to seamlessly integrate exploring topics into your existing systems. Now let's talk about what makes exploring topics so powerful. AI-powered trend analysis automatically finds fast-growing trends before they go mainstream. Category-specific insights explore trends in tech, businesses, crypto, AI, fitness, and more. Historical trend data. See how topics evolve over months or years. Trend alerts get notifications about rising trend before they peak. Startups and investment opportunity. Great for entrepreneurs and investors. Now let's talk about pros and cons. Early trend discovery helps you spot trends before they go viral. User-friendly interface, multiple timeframes, short-term spikes and long-term growth. Great for entrepreneurs and creators. Trend alerts sends emails notifications about fast-growing trends. Let's talk about cons. Limited free version. The free tool has restricted data, making the pro version necessary for deep research. No keyword volume data. Unlike Google Trends, exploring topics does not provide exact search volume numbers. Less real-time data. Trends update every 24 hours, so it's not as instant as some social media tools. Pricing can be expensive. The pro plan is not cheap, especially for solo entrepreneurs. Despite these minor drawbacks, exploring topics is an incredible tool for staying ahead of market trends. So, is exploring topics worth it? Absolutely. Great for discovering early trends, AI-powered insights for businesses, creators, and investors. Help you stay ahead of competitors in any industry. If you are serious about spotting future opportunities, exploring topics is one of the best tools for trend research.